Did you know about this? Today we're talking about a serious sleep disorder that affects millions, yet many people don't even know they have it. We're talking about sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a condition that causes you to repeatedly stop breathing during sleep. This can happen hundreds of times a night, disrupting your sleep and depriving your body of oxygen. But there's good news. Knowledge is power. By understanding the facts about sleep apnea and taking proactive steps, we can significantly reduce our risk and improve our overall health and well-being. So let's dive right in. Fact number 1, and this is a big one. Sleep apnea can affect anyone, regardless of age, weight, or lifestyle. Now, it's true that being overweight is a major risk factor, but it's not the only one. You see, sleep apnea occurs when the muscles in the back of your throat relax too much during sleep, obstructing your airway. And while excess weight can contribute to this, so can the anatomy of your jaw and neck, your genetics, and even your age. For example, did you know that men are actually more prone to sleep apnea than women? And as we get older, the risk increases even more because those throat muscles naturally lose some of their tone. That's why it's so important to remember that sleep apnea doesn't discriminate. It's not about fitting a certain profile. It's about understanding the factors that can increase your risk and taking the right steps to protect your health. Fact number 2. Sleep apnea is not just about a bad night's sleep. It's a serious medical condition that can have a ripple effect on your overall health. When you repeatedly stop breathing throughout the night, your body goes into a state of stress. This chronic oxygen deprivation and strain on your cardiovascular system can lead to a whole host of health problems. We're talking about an increased risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, and even type 2 diabetes. And it's not just physical health that's affected. Sleep apnea can also take a toll on your mental well-being, leading to daytime fatigue, difficulty concentrating, memory problems, and even an increased risk of depression and anxiety. The good news is that by addressing sleep apnea early on, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing these serious health complications. Remember, prevention is key. Fact number 3. Sleep apnea is often called the silent disorder because many people who have it don't even realize it. They might think their snoring is normal or that feeling tired during the day is just a part of getting older. But the truth is, untreated sleep apnea can have serious consequences. So how do you know if you might be at risk? Well, the most common symptoms include loud snoring, choking or gasping for air during sleep, excessive daytime sleepiness, morning headaches, and difficulty concentrating. If you or your partner notice any of these signs, it's crucial to talk to your doctor right away. They can help determine if you need to undergo a sleep study, which is the gold standard for diagnosing sleep apnea. Take control of your sleep. Fact number 4, you have the power to make a difference. Lifestyle changes can play a huge role in preventing and managing sleep apnea. One of the most effective steps you can take is to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Losing even a small amount of weight can make a big difference in reducing sleep apnea symptoms. Another important lifestyle change is to quit smoking. Smoking damages your respiratory system and makes it harder to breathe, which can worsen sleep apnea. And finally, limiting your alcohol intake, especially before bed, can also help. Alcohol relaxes the muscles in your throat, making you more susceptible to airway obstruction during sleep. Finding the right treatment for you. Fact number 5. If you've been diagnosed with sleep apnea, don't worry. There are effective treatment options available to help you breathe easier and sleep soundly through the night. One of the most common treatments is a CPAP machine. CPAP stands for continuous positive airway pressure, and it works by delivering a constant stream of air through a mask that you wear while you sleep. This air pressure keeps your airway open and prevents those pauses in breathing. For some people, a dental device might be recommended. These devices are custom fitted by a dentist and work by repositioning your jaw or tongue to keep your airway open. And in certain cases, surgery might be an option to correct any structural issues in your nose, throat, or jaw that are contributing to your sleep apnea. Your best defense, a healthy lifestyle. Now, for the most important tip, the number 1 way to prevent sleep apnea. It all comes down to living a healthy lifestyle. What does that look like? Well, it starts with making sure you're getting enough physical activity. Regular exercise helps you maintain a healthy weight, strengthens your respiratory system, and improves your sleep quality overall. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Next up, let's talk about what you're fueling your body with. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can work wonders for your overall health, including your sleep. And finally, don't underestimate the power of good sleep hygiene. Stick to a regular sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. So there you have it. We've covered 5 important facts about sleep apnea, and most importantly, how you can take control of your sleep and your health. Remember, knowledge is power, and by understanding the risks and taking proactive steps, we can significantly reduce our chances of developing this common sleep disorder. You now have the facts and the strategies to prevent sleep apnea. Remember, prevention is key. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, being mindful of your sleep, and seeking medical advice when needed, you can prioritize your sleep health and enjoy a brighter, more energized tomorrow. Stay safe and stay healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the message. Comment if this information was helpful. Prevention is power.